Hello, today I'm going to provide you with a quick summary of the July 2019 Guelph housing market stats. So let's get right into it and let's take a look at some of these key metrics. Median sales price was $515,000, which is up by 5.9% relative to July of 2018 and just down 1.2% from last month. Median days on market is now at 18 days, which is up by 1 day over the same time period. Total number of sales was 231, which is up by 9.5%, and the total number of listings was 327, which is up by 17.2%. As you can see, the Guelph housing market continues to be very strong. We're starting to see a little bit of a seasonal decline, but that's to be expected for the summer. However, we're also starting to see that month's supply of inventory is increasing, which could start trending towards a balanced market. A full breakdown of these market stats could be found in the below description. And if you have any questions at all about the market, or if you're thinking about buying or selling this fall, please give me a call. I'd be happy to help you out.